Do that and you never buy cappuccino again. In a container, start by adding 3 teaspoons of soluble coffee, 3 teaspoons of chocolate powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 100 grams milk powder, 50 grams of sugar. Now, just mix everything very well. After mixing, we'll go through a sieve and sting this mixture. This soluble coffee beans that are getting the sieve just go squeezing for them to dismantle. The rest that's left you can play anyway. To store the cappuccino, we will use a glass, but it may be the container of your choice. After you do it once, you are going to want to do it all the time. Market cappuccino never again. Now just cover and consume it at will. And the best of all, spending very little and yields a lot. To make the cappuccino, add 1 tablespoon of homemade cappuccino and 60 ml of hot milk. Every time you make, for every 60 ml of milk, use 1 tablespoon of the cappuccino. It's perfect, with foam and everything. A delight, and the best is that you can remove the sugar and add sweetener. Then also works super well. I hope you enjoy it. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.